Hey, aloha! I'm Steve with Maui Travel Videos, and hey, today's an exciting day. We are going to take off from Maui, Kahului Airport, and head over to the island of Oahu. We're going to spend 4 days, 3 nights on Waikiki Beach, and I can't wait to get over there and show you Waikiki Beach. We're going to land, jump on the bus, get down to Waikiki, and I am going to shoot a video of Waikiki Beach all the way down, and I can't wait to show it to you. Hey, little vacation, got to get away from an island sometime and, you know, go to another island. Besides that, Southwest Airline offered $29 one-way tickets per person, $134.95 for the two of us. Can't wait. Come on, let me show you Waikiki Beach. And also, I'm going to have a whole bunch of videos of Waikiki Beach while we're over there before we come back to Maui. So can't wait to show you, and let's go right now. Let's go. I'll do the intro over there. Hey, I want to show you today what Waikiki Beach looks like at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, I've got a video showing Waikiki Beach at 6 a.m. and another one at Waikiki Beach at night, but I want to show you what it looks like on a normal Thursday during the week at 2 o'clock. So come on, I want to show it to you right now. Let's go. There's Diamond Head in the background. See it over there? That's a nice view. Hey, thanks for walking around with me today here on Waikiki Beach between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. I hope I gave you a really good feel for the beach from Kapiolani Park right over here all the way down to the Pink Building, the Pink Palace, the Royal Hawaiian Hotel. Hey, once again, thanks for joining me. Please subscribe below, leave some comments. Also ring that bell, and I look forward to seeing you on another Waikiki Sights video real soon.